Very good morning students. Saira. Welcome back to our science period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 15, life process in living organisms. Okay. So children, can you remember last session what we studied? We studied about, yes, first I will do quick recap. Okay, endocrine glands we had studied, isn't it children? Endocrine glands means what? An organ that makes hormones that are released directly into the blood and travel to tissues and organs all over the body. So endocrine glands are ductless glands and they are located in specific places of our body. Okay, what is the function of the endocrine glands? Yes, it will secrete hormone. Hormone means, yes, it is a chemical substances. Okay, so endocrine glands will secrete hormones. That hormones are released directly to the into the blood. Okay, through the blood it will travel to particular tissues and organs. Okay children, and the next one is, see here, this one also already we saw. Here these are the endocrine glands are present in our body. Okay, so these are the name of, yes, this all, that is the name of the endocrine glands. Where it is present we will see. So see here, first one is hypothalamus, pineal gland and pituitary gland are present in the, are located in the brain. Okay children, and the next gland, that is thyroid gland and parathyroid gland are located, yes, in the neck. Next one is what? Thymus. Next one is what here children? Thymus gland is located in between the lungs. And this one is what? Next gland is what here given here children? Adrenal gland. Adrenal glands are present the top region, that means anterior side of our kidney. Anterior side of our kidney, which gland is there children? Adrenal glands. Okay, and next gland, that is ovary. This ovary gland is present only in, yes, only in female, and where it is present? Either side of the uterus. Either side of the uterus. Okay, and the next one is what? Testis. This testis gland is present in only male, and where it is present? In the scrotum. Okay, so once again I will repeat. We studied now endocrine glands, where it is located and what are the names. Isn't it children? Hypothalamus, pineal and pituitary gland are located in brain. In the brain, thyroid gland and parathyroid gland are located in, yes, neck region. Next one is what? Thymus, where it is located children? In the, in between lungs. In between the lungs. Adrenal glands are located on the top region, that means that anterior side of our kidney. And ovary, that is present in only female and the on either side of our uterus. Okay, and the testis, that is present only in male, where it is located? In a scrotum. Okay, shall we go to next now? Yes, children, see here, this session, yes, we are going to study about these endocrine glands, where it is located and that which hormones, name of the hormone, which hormones are secreted by that endocrine glands, and what is the important function of that hormone. These things we will discuss now. Okay children, are you ready? Shall I go now? Yes, first one is, the, see here, the endocrine system helps control the following processes and systems. So see here children, that overall function of that endocrine system I have given here, that is, this endocrine system helps control the following process. Which process? First one is growth and development of our body. Okay, next one is homeostasis, that means the internal balance of the body systems. Metabolism, third one is what here children? Metabolism, that means body energy levels. That food we are taking, that food is converted into energy, so that is called what? Metabolism. So for this process, which one is helped? Yes, endocrine system. Okay, and the next one is reproduction. For reproduction process also, that endocrine system, yes, will play the important role. Okay children, for reproduction. So we will see now These are the names of endocrine glands. Once again I will repeat here: hypothalamus, pineal gland and pituitary gland. Okay, and these are present where I told here children, in the brain. And thyroid and parathyroid, it is present in the neck. Thymus, it is present where children? Yes, between the lungs. Adrenal, it is present on the anterior side of our kidneys. Next one is what here children see? Next one is pancreas. Pancreas, it is present in the stomach. Okay, and ovaries are present only in the female, and where it is present? Either side of the uterus. Testis, this gland is present only in male, where it is present in the scrotum. Okay, we will see now one by one which hormones are secreted by these glands and what are the specific function, that we will discuss now. Are you ready children? First one is hypothalamus, where it is present above the pituitary gland in the forebrain. Okay, and hormones, which hormones here secreted? Secretes the hormone which control the activity of the secretory cells of the pituitary gland. Okay children, which hormone is secreted by hypothalamus? Yes, that secretes hormone which control the activity of the secretory cells of the pituitary gland. Okay, and what is the function of that? Controls the pituitary glands. This hormone will control the pituitary gland. Okay, shall I go to next one now? So children, in our textbook, that one big tabular column is there. You have to read the tabular column. Okay. Next gland is, see here, pituitary gland, where it is present in the brain, at the base of brain. Okay, this is one small pea size. Okay children, the size of the pituitary gland, we can say that pea size, that matter. That much size only this pituitary gland is there. Okay, and what that hormone is secreted by this pituitary gland and what are the functions, we will see now. Okay. So children, see here, pituitary, already you know it is present in the brain, isn't it? The size of the pituitary also I told. And this pituitary plays a major role for in our body. Why? Because see here children, this pituitary gland plays a major role to regulate our body function. Okay, in our body many functions are there. That functions are regulating with the help of this pituitary gland. And at the same time, it is referred as master gland. This pituitary gland referred as master gland. Why we are saying this is the master gland? Because this pituitary gland will control that. This pituitary gland is controlling that other glands. Okay children, in our body. These pituitary glands will control that other hormone secreting glands. That's why we are saying this pituitary is the master gland. Okay, so see here, which hormone is secreted by this pituitary gland and what is the functions? Growth hormone. First one is what here children? Growth hormone stimulates growth of bones. Next one is, see here, adrenocorticotrophic hormone stimulates adrenal gland. Third one is thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay, and what is the function of this hormone? Stimulates thyroid gland. And fourth one is prolactin. Fourth one is what here children? Prolactin hormone. That hormone stimulates milk production. Okay, next one is, see here, follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone, the function of that hormone is control growth of gonads. Next one is luteinizing hormone, controls menstrual cycle and ovulation. Okay children, and that's why we are saying that hormone is very, very important for reproduction. Okay, and next one is what? Oxytocin. Oxytocin hormone contract the uterus during parturition. Parturition means childbirth. During the childbirth, that uterus, it is contract. So that is what contracts the uterus during parturition. That is what? Which hormone is help for that? Yes, oxytocin. Okay, and the next one is what here children? Antidiuretic hormone regulates water level in the body. So these all hormones are secreted with the help of pituitary gland. Okay children, yes, shall we go to next now? See here, next one is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, where it is present? Yes, anterolateral side of trachea in neck region. Okay, where it is present here children? In the neck region. And which hormones are secreted by this thyroid gland? Thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine and calcitonin. What are the functions of this hormone? We will see now. See here children, thyroxine. Thyroxine is secreted by which gland? Which gland here children? Yes, thyroid gland. Okay, what is the function of thyroxine? Controls growth of body and metabolic activities. Yes, controls growth of body and metabolic activities. Okay, metabolic activities here, that food we are eating, from the food we are getting that energy, that is what metabolism. So for that activity, this thyroxine hormone is, yes, utilized. This thyroxine hormone is secreted by thyroid gland. Okay, next hormone is what here children? Calcitonin. Calcitonin controls calcium metabolism and calcium level in blood. Okay, where it is helping? Yes, calcitonin, that function, uses of calcitonin, that is controls calcium metabolism and calcium level in blood. Okay children, shall we go to next now? Next one is parathyroid. As I told, this parathyroid also present in our neck region only. Isn't it children? See where it is located. 4 glands behind the thyroid gland. Even thyroid gland also, it is present in the neck region. So this parathyroid also present in the neck region. Okay, so hormone, which hormone is secreted? Parat hormone. Okay children, and what is the function of this hormone? Controls metabolism of calcium and phosphorus. Controls the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus. Okay children, shall we go to next now? So children, see here, next gland, that is pancreas. As I told, that pancreas is located behind the stomach. Behind the stomach. See here children, pancreas. The name of the gland is what? Pancreas, where it is located behind the stomach. And which hormones are secreted by this gland? Yes, glucagon, insulin. Yes, next one is what? Somatostatin. And the next one is pancreatic polypeptide. Okay children, first one is 4 kinds of hormones are, 4 hormones are secreted by this pancreas. Can you give the name? Yes, glucagon. Next one is insulin. Next one is somatostatin, pancreatic polypeptide. Okay, so we will see now one by one what is the uses, importance of these hormones. First one is what here children? Glucagon. Okay, see, the function of glucagon is stimulates liver to convert glycogen into glucose. Okay, so that yes, see here children, stimulates liver to convert glycogen into glucose. Okay, and the next hormone is what here children? Yes, see here, next hormone is what? Insulin. Insulin, what is the function of insulin? See, stimulates liver to convert excess blood glucose into glycogen. So this last session also already I told, isn't it children? Insulin stimulates liver to convert excess blood glucose into glycogen. Okay, so see here. So that insulin function is what here children? Yes, stimulates liver to convert excess blood glucose into glycogen and control level of insulin. Okay, next one is what here children? Somatostatin. That is controls movements of intestine and thereby glucose absorption. And the last hormone, that is, yes, here children, see here, which hormone? Pancreatic polypeptide. That is, what is the function of that hormone? Controls secretion of pancreatic juice. Okay, so 4 types of hormones are secreted by pancreas glands, and that what is the function of that gland, that also we saw now. Isn't it children? Shall we go to next now? So children, today we studied about that endocrine glands and where it is located, what are the functions, which hormones are secreted by these glands and what are the functions of that hormone, that also we discussed. See here, today we saw about hypothalamus, pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid gland and pancreas also today we studied. So remaining that thymus, adrenal, ovaries and testes, that next session I will teach. Okay children, so I hope today's session you got. Yes, you understood today's session. Yes children, that last page one tabular column is there, you have to read the tabular column. Okay children, yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.